Now let us continue with the Aloha explanation by means of a flowchart. We have studied about its basics in the previous video. Now let us see the procedure, how this protocol works. Assume we have one station which is having a frame to send. First, let us keep k is equal to 0, where k is the number of attempts of transmission. Initially, this is the first time it is transmitting, so k is equal to 0. Now, it will send the frame directly. It will not, no priorities are assigned, no timings are assigned here. So, it will send the frame and it will wait for the some random amount of time, and that timeout period, random amount of time is 2 times the TP. TP is your propagation time, the time taken by the frame to reach the receiver. So this amount of time it will wait. After waiting, after this time is over, what it will do? It will check for the acknowledgement, whether it has received the acknowledgement or not. If it has received the acknowledgement, means successful delivery, it will stop. If it has not received, means obviously something has been either modified or destroyed, or collision may have happened. So with this, number of attempts will become 1. Next time, k should be incremented to 1. Retransmission has to take place. After this, it will check whether this number of attempts, the value, whether it has reached the maximum value, k max. It will check this. Obviously, it has started with 0 and only 1. K max can't be 1. So, initially, this will not be there. But after some time, after some attempts, when this condition is reached, it will abort its operation. But initially, this value is not true. So, what it will do? It will choose some random amount of time, say random number. So, it will choose some random number r, whose value is between 0 to 2 to the power of k minus 1. So, it will choose some random number r, and again it will wait for the some amount of time, and that time is TB. TB is your back of time, and that back of time is given by r into TP. Okay. Choosing the value of r, which is between 0 to 2 to the power of k minus 1. Once you choose this r, it will wait for some time, and this waiting time is called back of time. Its value is r multiplied by TP, propagation time, and this chosen number r. So this random number will differ for each station. Obviously, this waiting time will differ for every station. And after waiting, again it will go back and send the frame. Again wait for some time, that is 2 times TP. It will check whether it got received the acknowledgement from the receiver. If it is received, successful delivery. Else increment the k. K indicates number of attempt. It has to resend one more time. Now, so after doing many times, if it reaches the maximum value, that is k max, if you have assigned say 10, if number of retransmissions become say 11, okay, it is more than the allotted maximum value, so it will stop resending. It will simply abort its operation. It will give up and it will try sometimes late. This is how the pure Aloha protocol works.